Gusto nyo rin ba makatipid sa kuryente o ma-zero ang bill mo? Nako, balang araw! Nako, anong gagawin mo? Makikigamit ka na lang ba sa kapitbahay? Kung gusto nyo malaman anong sikreto, panoorin mo yung video na ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Guys, nako, grabe, tapat lang tayo ha. Dati, ang monthly electricity bill ko pumapalo ng 35,000 to 40,000 a month. Oo, bakit po? Kasi meron po kaming mall sa bahay. Joke lang po. Pero grabe, dami lang kami ng tao sa bahay. Pero ngayon, tignan nyo po! Ay nako, 22,000 na lang. Minsan, even lower. Alam mo, that's around 10,000 to 18,000 savings per month. Hindi dahil tipid kami, pero yun nga, meron kaming in-store na mga tinatawag na secret weapon. Kaya nga itong video na ito, no, makikilala po natin si Victor, ang CEO po ng Nsky na nagsimula sa Thesis Project. Ngayon, tumutulong sa libong-libong Pilipino na magtipid sa kanilang energy consumption. Paano ba yan? Panoorin natin to.
Towards the end of college, doon ako nag-iisip na ano kaya ang gagawin kong thesis. Gusto ko yung thesis ko sana would be something na business na I'm passionate about it na. Yung thesis ko was yung company namin ngayon, which is yung Nsky Solar Corporation. Doon ako nag-start mamili ng CDR King solar modules. I was also trying to show, yun na yung proof of concept ko eh. Yung thesis ko, kumbaga parang hitting two birds with one stone. Ina-attempt ko na yung business ko and at the same time, ito na rin yung thesis ko. Para tipid rin. Doon pala, tipid tips na kagad yung ginagawa doon eh. So, finished my thesis that time and then, yun nga, yung client na family friend.
Yung client na family friend, that was the first major project?
That was my first major official project.
So how much was cost?
Yung cost?
Yung para sa client, yung magkano?
It was so expensive pa at that time. 1 kilowatt system lang yun. 300,000. Yes.
1 kilowatt
1 kilowatt.
Magkano cost mo nun?
Yung cost nun, ang mahal nun.
Ay guys, napakaganda talaga no, ng ating interview at na-enlighten po tayo. Alam mo, pagkakamali ng maraming tao, ang tingin pa rin nila pagka nag-i-invest sila sa mga solar panels, ang tingin nila expense and gastos.
But kumita ko siguro mga profit margin ko there was around 30%. Between 20 to 30%.
Not bad na.
Yeah, ni-roll over ko na. Plus, when I'm talking to a client, so meron na kaming client na nakabitan. That was the most important part, di ba?
Siyempre, nakakatakot yun. Baka hindi mag-work, di ba?
Yeah.
At saka yung after-sales service.
After-sales service. It was a difficult challenge. It was a really difficult moment talaga. Every person I was talking to selling solar because it was so expensive and it was untested territory. Wala pa nagpapasolar noon.
Pero kung titignan mo from another perspective po, di ba? It's an investment eh. Nagkakaroon tayo ng ROI na mas malaki. Parang lang sa property. As a matter of fact, mas mabilis pa nga sa property at sa negosyo. Kaya ako, ginawa ko talaga siyang parte ng long-term strategy ko to build wealth.
Siyempre, usually hindi mo maiisip na lalaki yung electricity bill mo kasi nasa office ka naman during the day, di ba? So ngayon, people were at home, they had to turn on their aircon, they had to live at home, consume that electricity, lumaki yung billing statement nila. So now, household, they suddenly had an idea na ang laki pala ng consumption natin sa electricity. Yung public natin, biglang nagkaroon ng understanding.
Nagkaroon ng awareness.
Awareness, exactly, on solar energy as a viable option to reduce your electricity.
Always remember, money not spent is money additionally earned. Let me repeat, ang perang hindi mo ginastos ay dagdag kita mo. Guys, ito na. I-reveal ko na sa inyo ang latest bill ko. Ready na ba? Drum roll, please. From a high of 40,000 pesos ngayon ay magkano? 8,000 pesos na lang. Grabe!
Natatandaan ko, how we got to know each other was nagpapalipad lang ako ng drone from outside the house. So, nakita niya ako, pinatawag niya ako kung anong ginagawa namin doon. So, nagkakabit kami ng solar. Eventually, he loved the idea of renewable energy. Tapos, he chose us to be able to install the solar energy in his house. Like, una pa to, mga 7 years ago. We were talking about it nga. Sabi niya, I chose your company because you are a young company and I wanted to help young businesses to grow. So we have a very soft spot. We love helping, carrying out that message to the people. And then, ngayon, we also started working on lithium batteries as well. So,
kay Julius?
Yeah, we sent him over like one of the new solar batteries that we have. And yun lang, it's exciting because the technology is ever developing that. Although, pababa din yung prices niya, but new technologies, new features are coming in.
Kano electricity bill niya dati at saka nung na-install magkano?
Si Sir Julius naman kasi, Sir Chinky, ang lakas ng consumption niya eh. Like, yung house niya. I think he was billing around 30 to 40,000 pesos.
Ang laki talaga ng kinita ko, hindi lang tipid ha. So imagine mo, dating 40, ngayon ay ano na lang, 22,000. Kaya nga imagine mo, kung 22,000 yan times 12 months, that's 240,000. 240,000 times 2 years, 480,000. 3 years, imagine mo, 700 plus thousand. Pag ilalagay mo yung pera sa bangko,
Yes.
ang interest mo, 1% interest per annum.
Yes.
So, kikita ka ng 3.5.
Yes.
Wala pang tax yun. Pero dito, 350,000 nilagay mo. Let's say, 10,000 na lang ang mabawasan.
Yes.
10,000 times 12.
Yes.
That's 120,000 pesos
Per year, yes.
per year.
Yes.
Huwag nyo tignan from the perspective of savings.
Yes.
Tignan mo from a perspective of investment. Guys, nagigets nyo ba to? Kasi kunyari, may 350,000 ka ngayon. Ilagay mo, saan ka makakita na pwede kang kumita ng more or less na mga, yun nga, 120,000 a year. Kung i-compute natin, that's around 30+% per annum.
Yes. That's correct.
Tama? That's 3% per month.
Per month.
So, imagine mo, ang laki ng ROI mo.
Yeah. Ang bilis.
Kaya kung may 350,000 ka ngayon, imagine mo, ilagay mo sa bangko, ilang percent? 1%. Pero pag nilagay natin nga sa solar, di ba, pwedeng magbalik ng, let's say, depende kung ano capacity, pwedeng 120,000 a year, 10,000 a month. Ako mismo nga, sinabi ko, in 2.5 years, 2 years, 400 plus thousand.
Makikita natin dito, with the online monitoring system, makikita natin how much we're producing today. Right now, we're producing 46.40% ng capacity ng system natin. We're producing 6.96 kilowatt hour. Right
Out of
now.
the 10.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Tapos, ngayon, medyo mataas ang sikat ng araw ngayon, 2:41 p.m. Makikita natin yung production natin throughout the day. So, we can see the health of your system na it's still performing just as well as that time 2 years ago. Yes, exactly. Makikita natin dito yung coal save natin. Instead of coal-powered power plant, 12.1 tons of coal na ang natipid natin. Carbon emission reduction din, 31.48 tons na ang na-offset natin sa environment. And the most important part, Sir Chinky, is yung total yields natin.
And now, may good news po ako sa iyo. Kung interesado niyo magpa-solar, okay? Naku, pwede kayo makakuha ng discount. Sobrang taas ng power bank.
Yes, ang mahal ng cost ng
Di ba natatandaan nyo pa ba yung power bank dati kung mga magkano yun, di ba?
Yes.
5,000, 8,000, 10,000 yung mga sa cellphone.
Yes,
Pero ngayon, ang affordable na.
300 pesos, 700 pesos.
Dati, magkano yung power bank na yun dati?
Dati would cost around 200, 250,000 pesos for a typical size for a typical household. Ngayon, it's dropped to 95,000 pesos. So, almost 50%, 60% reduction in price.
Try nyo. Malay nyo. Di ba? Itong code na ito gamitin nyo. #SmartSolar. #SmartSolar. And when you use this, mag-inquire kayo. Ay, nako, ito yung gagawin. Meron kayong mga freebies, a special discount sa mga taong makakapanood ng video na ito. So, if you're interested, type interested na lang below. And message nyo lang po yung Nsky, and I'll also leave the link in the captions. Paano kayo makakontakt? How do they get in touch with you?
You can reach us on our website, www.nskycorp.com. You can reach us on our social media platforms as well, Nsky Solar and Nsky Corporation. You can reach us on our corporate phone number at 0917-632-6189. Looking forward to hearing from those people out there who are interested in getting solar power and being a part of our movement for a greener and cleaner Philippines. Maraming
salamat. Alam mo, again, ulitin ko, ang goal natin bawat kaiponaryo po ay matuto tayong mag-ipon, syempre mag-invest at magpalago ng pera. So ito po ang isang best way for you to make your money grow, lalo na mga kababayan nating OFWs. Sana nakatulong tong episode na ito. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.